what I'm gonna do this evening, I'm gonna show you how you can use an orange and some dry clove to make yourself a nice lovely fragrance inside of your house. I want to say orange and clove goes really well, and you know when it comes like Christmas time at year time, when people do like mulled wine, they intend to use orange and clove. But I'm gonna show you something where you can try it at home. If you do like to try it at home, clove is a little bit strong and it gives you a nice lovely fragrance, a nice lovely scent come out of it. So guys, look how you can try this at home. Hopefully it will benefit you and you can share it with someone else. I go somewhere and I saw someone did it and I said I have it over the last probably about 7 months now, which I want to do it, and I get the opportunity to do it today. So please leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Nice, thank you. So right here, this is the orange. You can use 1 orange, 2 orange, 3 orange, and this is the dry clove. First of all, let's take out a portion of the clove and put them on the counter just like this, like you guys can see. Then what you need to do is to turn the orange like this and simple push them inside of the orange like this. So what I want to simply say to you guys, this smells so nice already. I can smell the scent of the orange and the clove. Smell really nice. So guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about, and that's it. And when you do this, 2 things: if you live with someone who do a lot of smoking, you can do this and put it inside of the living hall, the dining room, or even in your bedroom to take away the scent of the cigarette, because clove and orange goes really well and it got a strong scent coming from it, guys. Smells so nice. This smells so beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, if you try it at home, if you think you like, unless you don't like clove, but the scent of it with the orange goes really well. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm just sharing with the idea of how you can try some clove and orange at home. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Bye bye.